Alright, what up YouTube? It's your boy Pluto Grind and I'm back with another video. And as the title says, it is making money with AI. That's the name of the video for today. Alright, cool. So we all know everyone has been talking about AI and making money with it, but like how do regular people like me, like you, and whoever is watching this video, how do they do it? Well, today that's what I'm gonna be showing you. And I'm gonna be showing you like 5 easy ways that people are using AI tools to make money in 2025. Trust me, no coding, no fancy tech setup, and all you don't even need to show your face. But if you want to do it, that's fine. You can still make money. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna be showing you today, and let's just get straight into it. Alright, so the top 5 ways after my research and based on like what I've made money from. Top 5 ways to make money with AI. The first one I can tell you is AI content writing. I don't know, you've probably heard of that. That's like the third one here. But let me just start with this. It's called AI content writing. That's the first thing we're going to talk about. Now, if you're decent at editing or organizing ideas, or just like making something look good, well, this one is for you. Because with tools like ChatGPT or tools like Jasper, they can help you write blog posts, emails, product description, and even ebooks. And all you have to just do is just guide the AI, and you edit the output and deliver like clean, relatable content. That's all. That's all you have to do with this type of model. That's literally all you have to do. And you can offer these services on like platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or other freelancing platforms, just anywhere that like does freelancing, or you can just go direct to finding businesses with like weak maybe websites and all that, and just offer to like write their content. You get what I'm saying? And like people that do this kind of model, average they are making around $500 to like $2,000 a month just using AI. And like AI is mainly just doing the whole work. They don't really do much. That's just what like AI is mostly doing the most of the work. Now let me give you a pro tip. What you should do is just like specialized. Don't just say I do writing. You can like tell like your customers that you do product listing, for like maybe beauty products or beauty brands, or you just do like blog content for like fitness coaches, because like that niche, it sells a lot. So that will be all for AI content writing, with platform like ChatGPT. Now the next one we can do, which is like the next thing on the list, is selling AI digital products. Now that sounds pretty much self-explanatory. With tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, this is what we're talking about now. So with tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and DALL-E, those kind of like tools, they help you create high quality images with just like you just type in something. You can just type maybe create me a high quality image of a gorilla and a shark merged together, and you just get something big. And that way you can just, and I'm giving you guys game now, you can just go to like with that picture you made, you can just go to like a software like Printify and just slap that picture on it, and there, boom, you start selling the t-shirts. That's another strategy to like make money with, but mainly we're focusing on like just selling those pictures. That's like something you can make a lot of money from. So when you make those pictures with those AI tools like Midjourney and everything, you can sell them on sites like Etsy, Redbubble, Gumroad, or even you can just print out, like you can just do like what I said about the t-shirt, which is like print on demand with platforms like Printify and all of that. And the best part is like you don't even have to really do anything. You just tell the AI to just do it for you, and that's just it. And from there you can just do it over and over again, and then you just start making money from it, and you just start growing and growing, and boom, you're like you're one of the best in it. So yeah, the next way we're going to be talking about is selling AI prompts. Now, you've probably heard of this from TikTok. I'm pretty sure you have. I'm pretty sure you have. It sounds fancy, but it's basically just creating like useful inputs for ChatGPT and other AI tools, like, you know, like creating like a text that you'll be able to like give ChatGPT so that it automatically like gives you the best thing you're trying to get ChatGPT to do. If that makes sense. It's basically like saying, can you help me with a book? And like the AI prompt you're gonna make is gonna be, can you help me with a book that can make me $100 a month? I don't know if that makes sense. Because if you just told ChatGPT to like make you a book, it's just gonna make you a regular book. But if you tell it to make you a book that can make you $100, that is just basically you giving ChatGPT a prompt to do for you. And that's just how basically AI prompts work. And trust me, this AI prompts, they sell for a good amount of money. You can just sell them on platforms like Gumroad, PromptBase, or bundle them into like ebooks and stuff and just sell them as lead magnets. Do you know there are also some people that build tools, simple tools like ChatGPT connected Notion dashboards or Excel automated templates, and you can also sell that too. So if you understand the niche that goes well with you, you can just make AI prompts in that niche and just sell them to people. That's another very good way of making money. Now, the next one we have on the list is this, the first and the biggest one: making AI videos with tools like Google VO3. I'm pretty sure you all have seen like that video of Bigfoot on TikTok, that AI pin that is getting millions of views. Now, what if I told you just made with a tool with VO3? Trust me, I know VO3 costs like a little bit of money, but if you're willing to spend that much money, trust me, you can make a lot of money. Now, if you're not willing to spend that much, we have other tools like InVideo and Synthesia, Pictory, and what they basically do is just to like turn scripts into videos with stock footage, captions, and even avatars. But this one is really perfect if you want to like start like a faceless YouTube channel, especially in niches like finance, self-improvement, or tech reviews. So you can just upload videos daily with like zero editing skills, because like the AI already did most of it for you. Like, even if you don't want your own channel, you can just like go on Fiverr and create a profile saying you can make AI videos for people for their faceless YouTube channel, and boom, people just start coming to you to like make stuff for them, and just help them, charge them like a good fee, and boom, you start making money doing freelancing. And that's just another way. Now, the last one on the list is building and selling courses with AI. Now, you got that right. This is pretty much easy. You could just go to like a AI platform like ChatGPT and just tell it to like make a course for you on a specific niche, maybe on fitness or like how to grow abs, like full build abs in like 2 or 3 months, or even lesser than that. Trust me, that sells, because people are way much into what's it called, into fitness and everything. And boom, you just post that, you just market that for like a little bit, and then you just post that, and boom, you start making money. And those are like my top 5 ways to make money with AI. Now, this is a call to action. Let me give you a call to action. Trust me, this is just the start. AI is not replacing everyone. It's basically just amplifying the people who know how to use it. You don't even need to be like an expert to just start this shit. You just have to pick one idea, learn the tools, and take action. Now, if you want full tutorials on any of these methods, or want to see how I build faceless videos step by step, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and drop a comment with the topic you want next. AI won't make you rich by itself, but trust me, it is one of the best shortcuts to starting your first online income stream right now. Now if you love the video and you want to see more of this, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Pluto Grind out.